Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today we are making a very simple and delicious sharbat which you can try this summer and for iftar as well. For this, first let's make the jelly. We'll follow the instructions on the jelly package. So please prepare the jelly accordingly. I've added the jelly crystals and then added hot water to it. It's about 1 cup. And once you melt the jelly crystals, you can add cold water and allow it to set in the refrigerator for about half an hour. We'll keep this aside till the jelly is set. The next step is heat about 1 liter of milk. We'll bring this to a boil. You can use whole milk or skim milk, but the sharbat tastes really good when it is made with whole milk. I've added about half a cup of sugar. This is optional, you can add it according to your taste, or you can use any other sweetener as well. I've used about 2 teaspoons of custard powder. I've added some water to it and we'll dissolve it completely till the custard is lump free. Keep this aside and then we'll take pistachios about 15 and almonds about 15 to 20 and seeds from green cardamom about 3. So these ingredients we'll blend it together and make it into a powder and keep it aside. This will make the sharbat really very healthy and nutritious. So we are going to add this badam and pistachio powder to the milk. Once the milk is boiled nicely along with the sugar, we'll add in this dry fruit powder. The cardamom gives a nice flavor to the sharbat. If you don't want to add in the cardamom, you can also add vanilla essence. And let's add in the custard. And we'll keep stirring it so that no lumps are formed. This is not going to be a thick custard, it's just going to be a thin consistency. If you don't want to use custard, you can also leave it, and you can either use corn flour about 1.5 teaspoon, or you can just thicken the milk instead if you don't want to use the custard powder or the corn flour. We want the milk to be of this consistency. As you can see, it's not thick at all. Let's cool this and transfer it to a bowl. Let's add in some ice cubes to this. Even if it is a little thick at this moment, it's fine because we'll be adding ice cubes, so that will make the consistency a bit thin. Add in some soaked basil seeds. This is really very good and it gives a cooling effect to the body. So this is really good for the summers. And once the jelly is set, we'll cut them into small pieces and we'll add it to the sharbat. You can either use flavored jelly or you can use the China grass. That is also optional. Add this to the sharbat. You can use any flavor jelly. I've used strawberry jelly in this recipe. Mix it really well. You can add some more jelly according to your requirement, and you can also add in some chopped nuts like almonds and pistachios. The sharbat is ready to be served. We'll take a glass and add this delicious sharbat to it, top it with some jelly and some dry fruits, and it's ready to be served. Do make this and enjoy it with your family this summer and also for iftar this Ramadan.